We are smack dab in the middle of hurricane season here in southeast Texas. It's been a relatively light season so far, but hey, anything could change. All you need is one. With us right now is Mark Hanna from the Insurance Council of Texas. Mark, thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me.
You know, down in southeast Texas, after Hurricane Ike blew through here several years ago, and it's been quite a while now between hurricanes, but the windstorm insurance situation has become quite the controversy here because of the costs. Has that leveled out now at all? Has there been stipulations made where that's going to improve for the homeowner?
Well, what's been happening with windstorm insurance for the past 6 years, ever since Hurricane Ike hit, the rates have gone up about approximately 5% each year. And they're going to take effect. Another 5% rate increase was just approved here recently, so that's going to take effect January 1. And if the windstorm insurance program, the TWIA, what's called Texas Winstorm Insurance Association, is kind of a quasi-state agency, but it has to remain solvent, okay? And so the people who do the rates, the actuaries within TWIA, say the rates actually need to be a little bit higher. Independent actuaries outside TWIA say the rates need to be a little bit higher. And that's why you don't have all these other insurance companies like State Farm and Allstate and others in here and selling you windstorm, because the rates are just not competitive. And so whatever they offer is going to be a lot higher than what you can get through TWIA. Thus, TWIA continues to grow and grow. And today it's $87 billion in liability.
Wow. All right, we've been lucky the last 7-8 years of not having a hurricane.
Hurricane Ike was the last one, the costliest storm in Texas history, September 13th, 2008.
How many billions of dollars?
$12 billion. That's
crazy. Across
the board. It cost TWIA about $2.5 billion, so another $10 billion was picked up again by the big guys and all the other insurance companies.
So how long does it take for insurance to kick in for homeowners? If you have wind insurance and you go through a hurricane, how long does that take to kick in?
Well, if there's not a named storm in the Gulf of Mexico, you can buy a homeowner insurance policy tomorrow with windstorm. If you're talking about flood insurance, though,
pre and post.
Okay, well, look at look at Hurricane Ike, storm surge 20 feet. People, it's good to have flood insurance if you're in the path of a hurricane. It takes 30 days for a flood insurance policy to take effect upon buying it. You bought it tomorrow. It's going to take effect in September. So what you're talking about is, I see a hurricane coming this way. Hey, I'll take care of it. I'll buy all the insurance needed today. Right. Okay, well, if it's a named storm, you can't buy windstorm. And if you're buying flood insurance, it's going to take 30 days. So it just doesn't work that way.
It's always good to have insurance. Keep that in mind. Also, and the very last question here, you look back on our hurricane situation. Do you guys watch it like the National Weather Service?
Oh, sure. But I'm always impressed with folks along the coast. You watch it even closer.
Yes.
There's anything moving out there. I just talk to anybody on the street who lives along the coast. They know what's going on. And it's, you've got to. Okay, you've got to be prepared. And that's why I'm going down the Texas coast. I'm just saying, be prepared. Have an evacuation plan. Have it together before you're threatened. Know what you're going to do. Know where you're going to go. And from my perspective, have some insurance coverage in place so you can sleep better at night.
All right, Mark, thank you so much. Appreciate you coming in.